Alright everybody, here are these two poles for supporting a plastic tarp or a tent fly or whatever you want to use it for. There's 2 points of telescopic and they each have a spring-loaded lock, which, sorry about the view for a second, but if you'll see on the side here, there are holes up and down on the poles in general places that allow you to adjust the height. Each one comes with some string or rope and a spike to tag it into the ground. The bottom itself is rounded, so if you need to put it on the inside of your sleeping area, you'll be protected from doing damage to your tarp or floor covering. For what you get, it comes in a portable bag, and you know, you can't beat the quality, and they're made so I can tie them to the side of my 60-liter backpack and they won't be too much in the way. Price is good, quality is fantastic. Please enjoy.